Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share my 2 pages for an open collaboration hosted by Rosemary over at Rosemary You Rock Art, and it's hashtag color and create with us you rock art. So last week I missed posting because I didn't have time to color, which is going to be a lot in the next couple weeks. But I found some time today to do some coloring, and I colored both pages. So let me share. So last week was this beautiful cupcake. It's like several layers of frosting. Well, this is like maybe a cookie, or I kept these brown, cupcake. And then this swirl is the frosting, and then I did the flowers and the leaves. Ugh, this is crazy. Autofocus is not helping me today, sorry. Okay. So that was last week's. And then this week is this really pretty lighthouse. And I really enjoyed coloring this lighthouse. And when we started coloring, it didn't have these stripes, so I just added them. I think I could have gone this way, but I like the diagonal stripes instead. So I kept it fairly simple. I kept it, black and white and red. And then, the rocks, and then the ocean, and then the clouds. I just did a little bit of coloring up in the clouds area. So yeah, that is my 2 pages for Rosemary's hashtag color and create with us you rock art. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.